About 6 months ago, a police officer at the forefront of youth programs was arrested and charged for allegedly sexually assaulting a 14-year-old boy. The Royal St. Lucia Police Force expressed embarrassment, saying the role of officers is to protect the public and uphold the law. The officer was charged but has been out on bail, and he could soon be a free man if the mother of the victim continues to oppose continuing the case. Human rights attorney Martinus agreed to take the case, vowing to bring justice to the teenage boy and the nation's abused children. Now Francois says the mother of the boy appears no longer willing to try the case. The attorney-at-law says she might have been paid off. He says it is an unfortunate situation that continues unabated in St. Lucia.
I got involved in this case. In fact, I was doubtful in the beginning, but I was sort of almost pushed into it. Got involved in it, I didn't have to. And only now I'm finding out that, that the mother is no longer interested, it seems, in pursuing the case. And to me it's very, very frustrating and very, almost hurtful to me that this is happening, Trying to help out the situation, trying to help out society, make society a better place and so on, try to protect our children. And look at what's happening. The parents obviously have no interest in protecting the children. And it is happening with little girls over the years, parents accepting what they call arrangement money, settlement money from people that have molested little children.
Francois says it's time the authorities step in and end this situation once and for all. He says the ones who suffer most are the children, who are often traumatized by abuse and are taught by the parents that it is something for which they can be compensated. He says poverty is the main factor in those cases, and he's calling on human services to remove children from homes where abuse is silenced by parents who accept settlements from abusers.
We need to take the children out of the care of some of these parents, they're really delinquent parents. And the state, I believe, has to step in and protect the children, because the parents cannot protect them. And really, I don't blame the parents, it's a poverty level of these parents. I mean, this parent came to me right here, a single parent. I can only imagine the level of poverty and so on. And money is really very tempting to these people. And it's not even their fault. I think the state has to step in and protect the children from these delinquent parents.
Reports indicate the alleged abuser has some outstanding matters of a similar nature pending at the police complaints unit. Police have confirmed previous reports against the constable. Francois says it is a shame that this individual may soon be free and back on the job, never having to answer to the charges against him.
The case just falls down. That's the whole point about it. The case just falls down and nothing happens. So the officer goes to molest some other child, or maybe the same child, and just goes on and on. That's why it is. That's why I thought I was going to assist in stopping that type of situation. But if there's no case against him, there's no case against him. He has to go back to work and go back to molest more children. And I will not get involved again the next time. I believe me, I will not. I'll learn my lesson.
Francois says legal proceedings had already started. He says he filed a notice of legal action as required by law and was awaiting a response by the August 29th deadline. The constable was facing the possibility of a sentence of life imprisonment if convicted. Alison Kentish, HTS News, Channel 4.